How to use Json API in Flutter. Add this plugin. Get your API. I am using this dummy Json API. You can also get a dummy API from this site. Use Future Builder. Make sure to import the package as HTTP. Get the API using HTTP and pass it as Future. Also use Builder property to build widgets. Let's return a list tile for now. Pass title and subtitle as empty text. Now, decode the JSON response. Wrap the list tile with listView Builder. Pass the length of the data as item count. Now you can use the data received from server easily. You can see the properties of the data by pasting the API into your browser like this way. Use all the data accordingly. Save the project. Check if the snapshot have data. And return circular progress indicator if it is null. Again, check it for data. Now you can see it is done.